pt3 of the slime, part 3. So this slime, again, I accidentally clicked the end button. So that's why we're doing part 3. I had like a little bit of glue left. So I'm just going to make like a mini slime instead. Because I did really want to make a second slime. I should have just made it all together. And it would have been all good. So like, let's just... Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, that one has wind. Again, it's gonna be like really little. Okay, again, we're gonna do purple. Because I really wanted a mini purple slime. Well, I didn't want it to be mini, but I have no choice. Do I actually use slime? Yes. I don't just make it. I use it like a lot because it's just fun. Every single boom. Then we don't really have a lot. Well, like we have like it's up to here, which is good for another slime for like later on. Not today though. I think I'm done with slimes after this. I'm sorry that I have to post it at night because I am gonna be posting it like Friday before. But like I don't like taking up storage on my phone. So on my phone, I don't like taking up storage, and I don't want to wait until tomorrow to like have like a bunch of like storage taken because there's like 3 videos on it right now. So yeah, it's like just a little gloop. There's more in there. There's like a little tiny bit more. Let's put a little more. Oh no! That's like as much as the slime contains, bro. Just do little bits at a time. It's so gloopy. Should I add like a tiny bit of clay, bro? That would look so cute. My beads, I actually have like mini beads. Like they're so tiny. They're like mini beads. Should we use them? That would look so cute. It's like a mini slime. There's still more slime in here though. Who plays Animal Crossing? In the comments. Say your, well, no, don't say your name because I don't like them. I mean, you shouldn't. Well, if the comments are open, say if you play Animal Crossing. For no reason. I don't even play Animal Crossing. That just came up to my head. Animal Crossing. So if you do, just put it in the comments. Animal Crossing fans. If the comments are open, which it probably won't be. I'm sorry. Sorry about hyping you up, the Animal Crossing fans, but I'm sorry for that one individual person named Billy Bob. in the comments that liked Animal Crossing. And he was like eating an apple. Imagine there's like an actual guy named Billy Bob eating an apple that's like playing Animal Crossing while watching this. And just like, oh no. They found me. Imagine though. There's gotta be like one person watching this named Billy Bob eating an apple. It's tiny. It's a tiny slime. It's gonna have glitter and it's gonna have the tiny beads. And it's gonna be like silver and pink and purple. Sorry for the pink if you don't like pink, because I think we've all been through a phase where I hate pink and nobody likes that color. It's so ugly. I think everybody's been through that phase. I have. Pink is not my least favorite color. I don't hate on it, but it's not my favorite color either. Definitely not my favorite color. It's not my least favorite color though. It's not a bad color in my opinion. But trust me, I wouldn't wear pink to school. No, I wouldn't. And I swear to God, there's so many people, including my friends, hashtag out, if you're watching this video, friend. Actually, no, I got permission to say her name. Adriana, I know you're out there. Your mom said I could say her name. You said you wanted me to say her name. If you're watching this video, Adriana, I know that you think I'm emo. And I'm not. I'm not emo. I'm a goofy goober just like you. And boom. It's tiny. After this, I'm going to sit down and watch a movie with my parents. Eat popcorn. That sounds really nice right now. Please don't turn out weird like my other slime. Perfect. You know what? No more. Yeah, look at my little tiny baby slime. Now let's face the camera to the table because it's too tiny. Unbearably tiny. But I love him. Little Jimmy Bob needs some color. Should we do a black slime instead, actually? Should we do purple or black? It's black like my soul. Apparently, Adriana. Emo, right? It's black like my soul. No. No. Billy Bob should be purple. Purpleo. I'm sorry, I'm very hyper today, even though I'm tired. I want to use black. You know what? No. It would have hidden all the little crunches in there. Should this one be butter? Yes. Okay. I got like a drop of purple. That's gonna be too much when I add. Oh, you know what? Should I add pink? No, I was gonna add pink. No, I'll make the clay pink. It would be like a little slime kit thing. Boom. Peachy Babies, if you know who that is. YouTuber and slime company. Again, not sponsor, but it would be nice if you sponsored me. Even though I'm a little kid. I mean, I'm 12, actually. Whatever. Little Jim Bob. Foamy? Yes. Little Jim Bob. He's coming to your house tonight. I'm gonna eat you. That's what he said. He said he's gonna eat you like a cannibal. Well, actually, no, he's a slime. He's gonna turn into a human form. Then he'll eat you up like a cannibal. Jim Bob, Jim Bob, Jim Bob, Jim Bob. Actually, we'll give you things. Oh, I'm not supposed to sing that. I don't want to get copyright. You guys heard nothing. You guys heard nothing because I don't want to get copyrighted. Gonna get copyrighted again today. So I put the pink clay in there. Little Jim Bob, Jim Bob, Jim Bob, little tittle Jim Bob. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. Oh, I didn't get to do my skincare today. Well, no, I did this one. I still have to do my night routine though. And it's Friday, so there's no problem with staying up. Fox is being annoying, she's being a brat. Da 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 da. If you know who Foxy is, she's my little sister, her real name's Winnie. But she's being a brat right now. Why am I singing? I don't know. I'm just being stupid. Anyway, little Jim Bob is done. Let's put away all this clay. Why did I rhyme? Why did I rhyme about the best thing? Because I'm using it. But just at the wrong time because I was putting away paint. So we actually do need to put away my clay. Just clean it up a little. Since this is a purple slime, you're gonna have purple charms. So let's put this one in. It's a baby, so we can't put too many in. I think we're gonna put these little heart guys. It's the power of love. It's too strong. Our little beads. We'll put them in. All of them. Last for like little things. But first, should we do stars or just random shapes? God, I don't want to do both. There's no stars in here. So we'll do both. It'll be like just a big silver mix. This is just all like shapes. And that one's got stars, but this one doesn't have stars. Crunchy. I won't put all my add-ins at once. Yeah, we'll put this away. And then we'll put the silver stars in there. Why do I love these stars? These stars are so cute. You need to save them for future videos. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so crunchy. It's gonna be so crunchy. Like, ooh. Like, scrum. Dibbly. Umptious. Rawr. Sorry. So that we're like changing view to see my brother's bed instead of the plain door. We have like, this is what I meant by Lila, like they were tiny, like they're crunchy. I kind of want to put black. And I just want to put like a bunch like of purples. Those are purple. They kind of look clear on the camera. Probably see they're purple. Put these different purple ones in there. I'm gonna put, don't get mad at me, pink. Don't get mad at me, my emo peeps. I'm sorry I said that. I'm just joking. If you're emo, that's cool. I like emo people. Those are cool. Not in that way though. I mean, sometimes. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about right there. No. Let's put the white ones in. That's it. Okay. Overload with the beads. I put so many beads and sparkles. Now there's no more. Now you can't even see the sparkles. Now you know what I gotta do. I gotta even it out to make it fair. Oh, okay, that's too much. No, I can't even put the stars in. Okay, now let's see that satisfying crunch. Ooh, that's like all over. Yes. So cute. Look at that. Oh my god. Yep. Look at the little chin mob. Look at him. It's got so many fun little beads in it. So next, what we're gonna do, I know you're all complaining, why are you adding more? No, I won't add more. I just want to do this cool little twist at the end. Like so. And then little Jim Bob deserves to go. And then boom! We're not going to put those ones in. It's too much. The heart's too much to them. And then we're going to put in the sparkles. Let's do that. Okay, yes, my camera isn't focusing right now, but it's so adorable. And now, crunch, 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 crunch. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, I would love it if you would hit that like button and like kill it, like ooh in the face, like ooh in the face. Okay, and smash that like button, subscribe, and yep, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Bye.